Hello and welcome to my kitchen. Actually, it's not my kitchen. I'm actually at my sister-in-law's kitchen in Orlando. This is Vanita and she's my wonderful sister-in-law from India. And today she's going to show us how to make upma, which is a savory cream of wheat or semolina dish originally from South India. And it's eaten as a snack or for breakfast. And it's so yummy and very easy to make. So let's get cooking. So we have a large frying pan heating up here. This has been heating for about 5 minutes, right?
Yeah, on medium.
On a medium heat, and we added some oil in here. I think that looks about 2 tablespoons. And that is about half a teaspoon of mustard seeds. And wow. It's like 1.5 teaspoons to me, measured wise, and oh, plenty of curry leaves. Okay, so we're gonna fry that up until it's golden. And these curry leaves are from your garden, right?
Yes.
How nice. So we want this to change color?
Yeah, a little bit brown.
Okay. Okay, so it's just a very light tan color, and is it ready now?
Yeah, so we can add semolina now.
Okay.
1 cup.
And this is fine semolina, coarse semolina?
Coarse semolina.
It's coarse semolina? Okay. And that's 1 cup you added in here.
Yes.
And then you're gonna toast it in the pan?
Make it a little bit browner, like a light brown color.
Okay.
And do on low heat, not too high or it's gonna get burned.
Okay, okay, and you have to keep stirring it?
Yeah, so low to medium.
Okay. So while I'm stirring and watching the semolina over here, Vanita is going to cut the onion, and we need, you said about ½ a cup?
Yes, ½ a cup.
Okay. And you're using red onion. Yeah. Is that the best, or?
No, you can use any onion. So whatever is in your fridge, you can use that.
Okay. And you have some curry leaves in here.
Yes.
So.
I'm just gonna cut it like a finely chopped.
Okay.
So kids don't see it and they can eat it if it's cut.
Okay, so you're gonna chop that up.
Yes.
That's a good idea.
Because normally when kids sees the big curry leaves, they take it out, but they won't see now.
Right. That makes sense. And you probably had like 10 to 12 curry leaves there. And this is actually quite a lot of onion. I'm just going to measure it.
Okay, let's measure it.
Yeah. So we have 1 cup of chopped up onion here. So she's boiling some water here because we're going to add boiled water to the upma. So, this is not done yet, but I can definitely smell the aroma of the curry leaves and the Urad Dal in here, and it smells really good. But it needs to toast more because it's a bit too light right now. Okay, so you're chopping up some coriander here, and you're gonna add it in the.
While we're cooking, we're gonna add some, and we're gonna keep some at the end for garnishing.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is about 1/2 to 3/4 of a cup. So you put quite a bit of coriander.
Yes, I like more cilantro in my food.
Okay.
I love it.
Yeah, in America they call it cilantro. In the UK we call it coriander, and in India they call it dhana.
Just gonna cut 2 chilies.
You're just slicing them in half.
Yeah, so you can take it out. And then we're gonna add ginger and chili.
Ginger chili paste as well.
Yeah.
Okay. All right, cool. So green chilies, if you like it hot, add as many as you like, and we're gonna add some chopped up ginger and chili paste as well. Nice.
Okay, so this looks done now.
Okay, so
we can start next step now.
Okay, so it's just slightly changed color and just a little bit like a light tan color. Before it was very white. Now it's got a bit of color to it.
So we're gonna keep it on the side. We're gonna take it out in the plate. So we can start our next step after this.
Okay. So we took out the toasted semolina in a bowl, and she actually wiped the pan with a paper towel, and it's been heating up for a couple of minutes here, and you're going to add some oil.
Yes.
Okay, so that's about 2 tablespoons of oil in there. And that is, yeah, about 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds. Okay, nice. And this is Urad Dal. So, okay, so about, yeah, all right. So this is 1 teaspoon of Urad Dal and 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds. And she added a 1/4 teaspoon of Hing or Asafoetida, and the 2 green chilies. And the chopped up curry leaves as well. Okay, so it's all added together. You saw that she didn't wait until the mustard seeds pop. It's all in there together. All right. And now she's adding the onions that we chopped. So that's 1 cup of onions. I love the smell of curry leaves. It smells so nice. Okay, so we'll just let it brown a little bit.
Just for like 2 minutes.
Sure. Okay, so it looks like it's softened up just a little bit.
So now we're gonna add.
This is ginger chili paste, right? Okay, so that's 1.5 teaspoons there.
So we're gonna cook for like 30 seconds.
Okay. Just until the raw smell goes away. Okay. And your heat is...
We can keep it on medium, is fine.
Okay.
Okay, now we can add our semolina.
Okay, and you know what? This pan is really big. So do you use a big pan because this expands?
Yes. It's gonna get double.
Wow, okay.
So this is gonna be like a 2 cups once it's cooked.
I see.
So let's do for like 30 more seconds like this, mix it up everything.
Okay.
Then we're gonna add yogurt. It's like a 1 cup.
Okay, 1 cup of yogurt. Wow. I've never had it with yogurt.
Yeah, it's good.
Nice. So if we wanted it vegan, we'd add vegan yogurt.
Then you don't need to add yogurt, it's fine.
No?
But with yogurt, it tastes creamy.
I see. Okay. Yeah, vegan yogurt is good too. I use vegan yogurt all the time, and it's instead of yogurt, and it still comes out good. So okay.
So let's cook for like maybe 30 seconds more.
Okay.
And then we're gonna add salt. It's like let's see.
It's 1 teaspoon.
Let's do 1.5.
1.5. Yeah.
Okay, this is done. Now we're gonna add like a boiling water.
Okay.
This is like a 3 cups. Let's see. Let's add 2 cups right now.
Okay.
Mix it up well.
So what are you looking for when you're adding the water?
I just put...
You just estimate, right?
Yes.
That's how we all cook. We just do it by eye. So let's see. Okay, so it's already starting to thicken up here.
And we have to put enough because we don't want to make it too dry.
Yeah.
So it's just enough so it's not too like watery. And you need to put enough so it's not too dry.
Okay, so you're going to add some more?
And now I'm going to add some cilantro while we're cooking.
Okay.
And then we're going to keep some for garnish.
Okay.
And I'm going to add some lemon juice.
Ah, okay. That's 1 teaspoon.
Let's do 2 teaspoons.
2 teaspoons, okay.
Okay, now let's mix it. I think I'm gonna need more water.
Yeah, because it looks like it's already thickening up. Yeah. Yeah, I'll hold the pan for you. So 3 cups would be too much, it looks
so
like,
right now, so far we put 2.5 cups.
Yeah.
I think think this looks good. So
Okay.
we're gonna let it cook for like 2 minutes.
Okay. And what if you wanted to add vegetables in here?
Or you can add potato, peas.
Potatoes, peas?
Yes.
Okay. Any vegetables that you like. Nice.
So let's let it cook for 2 minutes.
Okay. And do you cover it when you're letting it cook?
Yes, you can cover it for a minute. 2
Okay.
minutes.
Okay.
Okay, so it's 2 minutes done now.
Yeah.
And it looks cooked.
Okay. Nice.
So I'm gonna add a little bit oil on the top.
Okay.
So
why are you adding oil?
so you can see the shine, like you're gonna see the difference.
Okay.
Just a little bit, not too much.
Okay. So that's another teaspoon of oil.
Yeah, at the end when it's cooked,
Yeah.
put a little bit oil and then mix it up again.
Okay, I do see a little bit of a shine.
Yeah.
You're right. It doesn't take long to cook, right?
No.
It's very quick.
And you know, you can keep the semolina like what do you call
The
it?
toasted
Toasted,
semolina.
and you keep it on the side. So when you have a guest, you can make it in like less than 10 minutes.
Yeah.
Your snack is ready for guests.
It's a great idea.
Even for breakfast, it doesn't take long.
Okay.
Okay, so this is done. We're gonna switch off the heat.
Okay.
And
Great.
we're gonna serve it in the serving bowl now.
Okay.
Add some red onion. Add some cilantro. And fine sale.
Oh, nice. I've never had it like that.
This is ready to try. Let me give you a spoon.
Oh, how nice. I feel so spoiled.
Here, now try it.
That is really nice.
And you need tea with that, tea or coffee. Perfect breakfast.
It definitely tastes creamy with the yogurt in there. I like it. Something
Enjoy.
different. Mmm. Where's your spoon?
I'll take my spoon.
It's hot too.
I'm just gonna share with you. Sharing is caring, right?
Yeah. Very good.
Thank you. So Bobby, I want to show you something. Look, I have a semolina roasted ready in the fridge.
Oh, okay. So this has been, you did the tempering and you roasted the semolina.
Yes, everything is ready. So when I have to cook, I just have to fry some onion.
Okay.
This is ready. So you save almost like a 5 to 6 minutes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Ah, so you keep this in the fridge, and how long does it last?
Oh, it doesn't go bad because we keep it in the fridge.
Okay.
So maybe 4 months, 5 months.
Really?
Yeah, this is like 2 months old.
Wow.
Yeah, but it doesn't go bad because when it was in the fridge.
Right. This is a great tip. So if you're making this upma, just make a whole bunch of the...
Yes. I make
the
it like a
semolina.
4 or 5 cups same time, and I just use 1 cup at a time.
Okay.
So it's in the ready and you save some time.
Yeah, good idea. All right. Love these tips.
Thank you.
Thank you guys for watching. I hope you liked this video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you all soon for some more cooking inspiration.
Thank you.